Tinawag na balasubas ni BBM.
And now that you bring it up, one of the things that we are looking at, dahil iniisip ko, kakasuhan natin sila. Okay, the cases will go on, may mananagot, meron dyan makukulong, meron dyan mapa-fire, whatever. Para sa akin, kailangan buuhin nila yung project. Dahil, kung titignan ninyo, may warranty lahat yung project na yan. Kahit sinabi nilang completed, pag na-discover na hindi tama ang pagkagawa, they still have to respect, they still have to honor the warranty that they have given us to complete the project properly. So we can still go back to them at sasabihin natin sa kanila, balikan ninyo yung walang kwentang project na ginawa ninyo at ayusin ninyo ng maganda. Out of your own pocket. Number one. Now, I don't know what will happen after the ICI will make their findings known to whatever agency, kung they will be fined. Nasa sa kanila na yun. That's again, it's beyond the executive's purview. So that I think let us not focus on the politics of it. Let us focus on simple pesos and centavos of it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. The last question will come from Ivan Mayrina, GMA7.
Mr. President, while the ICI is just about to begin its work, protest actions have already been mounted and more are being organized. The ones on the 21st are expected to be big. Is this a cause of concern for you that it might potentially snowball into something similar to what happened in Nepal or Indonesia?
Well, that is only if we don't do anything about it. Look, what we have found, you have to remember, I brought this up. And it is my interest that we find the solution to what has become a very egregious problem. And since this has all been exposed, well, it's actually known to many people, but it has now been exposed to the general public. Do you blame them for going out into the streets? If I wasn't president, I might be out in the streets with them. So, of course, they are enraged. Of course, they're angry. I'm angry. We should all be angry. Because what's happening is not right. So, yes, express it. If you come, you make your feelings known to these people and make them answerable for the wrongdoings that they have done.
Nako po, yari.
Palaman ninyo ang sentimento, palaman ninyo kung paano nila kayo sinaktan, kung paano kayo ninakawan nitong mga ito.
Nako po.
Palaman ninyo sa kanila, sigawan ninyo, lahat, gawin
Tama
ninyo,
yan.
mag-demonstrate. Just keep it peaceful.
Oh.
Kasi pagka hindi na peaceful, mahirap na yan. The police will have to do its duty to maintain peace and order. But to show that you are enraged, to show that you are angry, to show that you are disappointed, to show that you want justice, to show that you want fairness, what's wrong with that? I want to show that there's justice. I want to show that there is fairness. I want to hold these people accountable just like they do. So I don't blame them. I don't blame them. Not one bit. All right?
Maraming salamat, Mr. President. Thank you very much, members
Thank
of
you.
Malacanang Press
Thank you very
Corps.
much.
That concludes our press
Mga
conference.
kababayan, grabe, no? Talagang, kasi nga, mga kababayan, kung matutulad talaga tayo sa Indonesia at saka Nepal, ay nako, talagang grabe po ang Pero sabi nga ni BBM, okay lang magsigaw, no? Ipagsigawan, pero yung magkakagulo, yun ang ayaw niya, mga kababayan. Talagang ipapaano niya pa rin talaga ang kumbaga yung walang gulo, kumbaga, mga kababayan ko. Kasi mahirap nga naman talaga kung magaya tayo sa ibang bansa, mga kababayan, no? Yung kumbaga yung batas natin na baka mamaya i-martial pa yan ni BBM pag sakali magkagulo. Ano ako?